Hello from Playa Escambrón in San Juan, Puerto Rico. It is 8th of January 2025 and the hour currently is 12 p.m. And I am here for a quick swim at this very crowded beach in San Juan. Lots of people on the beach, so I'm gonna try to go as much as possible into the depths, more deep, because you see it's super crowded beach day here. It's a Wednesday actually. It's a Wednesday. And the beach is sandy and very popular, and the water looks amazing and nice indeed. On the other side there are some snorkeling sites. Actually you can snorkel even here as well. It's beautiful clear water. Playa Escambrón. This is how it looks like on a busy Wednesday. And it was more crowded towards on the other end on the beach. And yeah, it's time then to go in and take a swim here at Playa Escambrón. Lots of people in the water. And the water is so crystal clear. It looks really amazing. And you can see the waves in the open ocean, how they're crashing. Beautiful. Playa Escambrón in San Juan, Puerto Rico. Beautiful indeed. It's quite a huge beach indeed. And let's then take a swim here at Playa Escambrón in Puerto Rico. Amazing. So beautiful. So beautiful. We can see even there a smaller island with the Puerto Rican flag on it. I saw some people snorkeling here, but I don't see any fish over here. I guess it's more on the other side, towards closer to the rocks. It seems so. Yes, the third beach for today. But time is ticking for the time to be back at the ship, as all aboard needs to be at 2:30 p.m. and currently it's 12:15. So I have 2 hours and 15 minutes. However, it's a bit of a walk to get to the pier. The alternative is to go back to the city center, the old town, and get a bus there. The last bus is at 2 p.m. So let's see what I'm going to do. Alright, so Playa Escambrón, ladies and gentlemen, this is how it looks like. One of the most popular beaches in San Juan. So not so far away from here, crossing a bridge, and there is another beach, Condado, that I would like to visit. So let's see if I will be able to manage to do that. Other than that, with this wonderful view of Playa Escambrón and San Juan, the city in the background. Oh, I can see the fort where I have been earlier today. It looks so far, but it doesn't feel like that far, indeed. Right. Beautiful. Cool. Thank you so much for watching this episode, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.